Welcome back to the fort, and in this video I wanted to highlight site number 311. It is a preferred campsite, which are the 1, 2, and 300. They're the closest ones to the marina, as well as the little path that you take to the barn. 400 is also very close, but it is not considered a preferred. So this video I am going to show you site number 311, and I hope you enjoy it. So I wanted to show you site 311, as well as a nice little path that is connected to this loop. So we've shown this loop before. We have not stayed at site number 311 specifically, but it is a very nice site, as you will see. So let's get to the tour of 311. All right, so here is site 311. Now this might be a little difficult for some people to back up. As you see, the pad is pretty much straight out. There is a little bit of concrete there. Scott was able to do it. He's pretty good at backing stuff up with trailers and stuff, so he honestly didn't have an issue. But I could see where someone like me, I would have a very difficult time here. I think I would probably jackknife the trailer coming around. You'll see on this electrical pole, and you'll see on the pole that says 311, we do have a couple of outlets if you wanted to plug in lights or your golf cart, or even a blow up, but that does have outlet. All right, so as you can see, there is a good sized pad on the side here if you wanted to open your awning. We just got here, so I just wanted to do a quick video of this site while I start up the grill to make some burgers. There's a picnic table. And initially when we got here, this picnic table was back there where our trailer was, which is a very nice shady spot right there. But obviously we moved it. We would have had enough space to leave it there if we wanted to, if you're worried about that. And we could have just parked further up. But for our purposes, we just figured we'd move the picnic table. We're going to open the awning and have that going. But I wanted to show you the back of this site. It's pretty good. So there are our neighbors. Not bad, because we're further up than they are. So as you can see, you can barely see where their stuff is right through there. Their chairs and everything, and their grill is right there. This is behind our site. And then I'll show you, I'll walk back here and I'll show you the site that's next to us. So that is the next site over. Little squirrel over there. I imagine this site has got a lot of birds in the morning. So let's check out, for those of you who are not familiar, let's go check out what kind of hookup is available here in the 300 loop. I also like all this shrubbery around the grill. I think that's pretty neat. You have your water hookup, your sewer hookup, cable, and electric. There's the cable. They all have regular, and they have 30 and 50 amp, whatever you may need. We have done several videos on this, but in this specific loop, the water, electric, and sewer are pretty much together. If you check out some of our other videos, you'll see that the electric is way back in the corner. Some of them, and some of them, even the sewer is way back at the back of the site, but in this loop it's all centralized. Now I'm going to show you the water hookup real quick for those of you who may. For those of you who are new to the fort, so they have 2 hose babbits here. They have this one, and then they have one that already has a hose attached to it, and the hose that they provide you does not have an end. So if you need it to rinse something off, anything like that, you're more than welcome to use that. Then you have the babbit that you would hook to your RV. Alright, so what do you say we go over and check out the little trail that's connected here at the 300 loop? Let's go check it out. This is right next to site 331. That's a nice little dog walking area. Oh look, the golf cart just kind of matches, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. In the background. Let's see if we can see any wildlife. And we'll take you guys along this little trail. That's a bat box up there, for those of you who didn't know. That big building. That's what we were told by a...
bat house.
Oh yes, that's a bat house. That's definitely not a bat box. I think they told us that during our Segway tour, didn't they?
It was a while ago for that.
Yeah, it's been a long time, but it's beautiful. You spot any wildlife?
Nope.
Let's go on the other side of this bridge. I bet we'll spot something over there. No golf carts beyond this point. There's another bird on. And if you keep taking this trail, this little path, straight ahead, you're going to run into the marina, the new Clementines Beach, and the settlement outpost. You'll also come up across P&J at the end over there, and a way to get to the barn. There's Cinderella's castle. And Space Mountain. Yeah. I believe Tron. Alright, so if you just follow this little fence, there you'll see the boat that'll take you to the Magic Kingdom. So that is the marina here at the fort. Then right past the trees on the left, that is where the settlement trading post is. And over there is also Crockett's Tavern and P&J Carryout.
There's a fork down here where we came from, so you can go to the left there instead of to the right and follow this fence. And that'll take you right to
the settlement.
The settlement.
Yep.
For anybody who wants to know, there's also bathrooms right there.
Oh, that's true. That's good information to know, that there are restrooms located at the settlement trading post. And there are signs on the bridge before you come over here that says do not cross the bridge. So this is what not to do. I think they saw us videoing and decided to turn around. You are allowed to park on this side. We try to park off of the little path, but you are more than welcome to park on the side over here and then walk over to the little nature trail. Everyone, we hope that you guys enjoyed site number 311 as well as
the back walkway here, a little walking path.
Yeah.
So until next time, guys, we appreciate everyone for watching, and we hope to see you
here
on this walkway somewhere at
the fort.
Take care, guys.
Bye.